Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment down below. Today I'm gonna be showing you my simple blow dry routine, and I hope you're gonna learn a few tips and enjoy the video guys. So what I normally do before I wash my hair is that I detangle my hair while it's still dry and then section it into different parts. As you can see here, I've sectioned it into 7 parts. So this is the blow dryer that I use, and it has a comb, so that's why I really like it. It makes my work easier when I'm blow drying my hair. I normally start off by just applying a generous amount of leave-in conditioner into one section, and then I go on to blow drying the section, as you can see in the video guys. So I normally start off by just blow drying the ends of my hair, and this makes everything so easy and so smooth. And since I had already detangled my hair while it was dry, this process is gonna be so smooth, and I'm really not gonna take any time. I'm not really gonna take much time when I'm doing this guys. I also don't use a lot of heat while I'm blow drying my hair. I just set my blow dryer at medium heat so that I can avoid a lot of heat damage from the blow dryer guys. Sectioning your hair into different parts makes everything so easy when it comes to washing your hair and when it comes to blow drying your hair. It literally takes me about 30 minutes to blow dry my whole head guys, and it's a good tip, especially if you have a lot of hair. I'm gonna fast forward the rest of the video because I think that everything is self-explanatory, and yeah, enjoy the video guys. If you have more tips for me when it comes to blow drying your hair, please comment down below and I'll be happy to take some advice from you guys. I'm done with one side of my head, and now I'm going to the other side, and all I'm gonna be doing is repeating the same steps to every section, and that is just applying a generous amount of leave-in conditioner to that section and then blow drying it. So now that my hair is all dried and detangled, I'm just gonna go ahead and oil my scalp, and then I'm gonna go ahead and also oil my hair. I'm just massaging my scalp and making sure that I've spread all the oil to the parts that I wasn't able to get. So this is my simple blow dry routine, and this is what works for me. To prevent my hair from shrinking again, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section it into 4 parts and then make some twists. That's it guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.